This tutorial shows how to work an invisible single crochet decrease. The invisible decrease is worked only into the front loop of the stitch. It merges two adjacent stitches into one to remove one stitch from your total count. Insert your hook into the front loop, only the loop closest to you of the next stitch. Without pulling up a loop, insert your hook into the front loop only of the next stitch. You will now have 3 strands on your hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the first 2 strands on your hook to pull up 1 loop. You will now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. Your invisible single crochet decrease is complete.